Gothic dark tale, The Legend of Voyager, is a captivating concept that interweaves the realms of literature and music, creating a multi-sensory experience for its audience. Imagine a novel that follows the epic journey of a mixed-blood traveler who embarks on a quest to discover ancient secrets hidden among the stars. You will be transported by the mystical golden hour. When the sky is painted in shades of amber and gold, the story unfolds through inner worlds, Earth with its human history and unknown galaxies, each with its own unique horrific challenges and wonders. Accompanying the novel is a hypnotic musical score that enhances the narrative, composed to resonate with the emotions and events of each protagonist. The music, rich in orchestral and ethereal sounds, acts as a bridge between the reader and the story's universe, creating an engaging atmosphere. Each piece corresponds to crucial moments in the journey, from the harrowing dawn of discovery to the intense crescendo of cosmic finality. Together, the novel and music provide an emotional experience, inviting readers and listeners to lose themselves in the legend that transcends time and space.